Hi, herzlich willkommen auf meinem YouTube-Kanal Deutsch mit Inap. Welcome to my channel Deutsch mit Inap. Das Thema für heute ist der Nominativ. Today's topic is nominative. What exactly it is, you will find out right now. Los geht's.
These are the German articles that we have gone through so far. Let's revise them all. Bestimmte Artikel, definite article, the, maskulin der, feminin die, Neutrum das und Plural die. Unbestimmte Artikel, indefinite article, maskulin ein, feminin eine, Neutrum ein, Plural kein Artikel. There is no plural indefinite article. Negative Artikel, maskulin kein, feminin keine, Neutrum kein, Plural keine. All these articles are nominative. Nominative basically means subject of the sentence, das Subjekt. So these articles are used in front of the nouns if these nouns are in subject form of the sentence. But was ist ein Subjekt? What is a subject? Let's talk about that briefly. A subject is the part of the sentence that contains the person or thing performing the action. Person in German is called Person, die Person. Thing is die Sache. Die Sache. In simple word, subject can be seen as the actor who is performing the action, which is das Verb. Let's have a look at this sentence. Der Sänger singt gut, which means the singer sings well, or it could also mean the singer is singing well. In German, there is no present continuous tense. The present tense can mean also continuous tense depending upon the situation. Singt ist das Verb, die Aktion. Singt. Singing is the action here. And now comes the question, who is singing? Wer singt? Wer singt? Answer is der Sänger, and that's the subject, das Subjekt. Since der Sänger is the subject of the sentence, it determines the ending of the verb, and der ist hier nominativ. Eine Katze schläft. Katze ist feminin, die Katze. Eine Katze schläft. A cat is sleeping. Schläft ist das Verb, die Aktion, the action. Now comes the question, who is sleeping or what is sleeping? Wer schläft oder was schläft? Die Antwort ist, eine Katze schläft. And that answer is the subject, das Subjekt. Since eine Katze is the subject of the sentence, it determines the ending of the verb. Eine, this article here is in nominative. Kein Mensch ist hier. Nobody is here. In this sentence, ist das Verb, die Aktion. Now comes the question, who is here or what is here? Wer ist hier? Was ist hier? Die Antwort ist kein Mensch, nobody. And that kein Mensch is the subject, das Subjekt. By the way, Mensch article is der Mensch. Mensch means human being or could also mean person. Und kein ist hier nominativ.
Das war sehr einfach, oder? That was very easy, right? In this relatively short video, you saw a couple of sentences without an object. But most of the sentences do have an object. You might know it from English, subject, verb, object. We'll talk about that in the next video. Im nächsten Video geht es um den Akkusativ. Bis dann, tschüss!